and welcome. Today's video I am back with another Boxycharm Base box unboxing for October. You guys know, if you caught yesterday's video, I mentioned that I typically receive the premium and the base box in PR, but I think there was a little bit of a mix-up and I ended up receiving two PR base boxes, which if you guys know what the choices were for the month of October, your girl's not mad about it. So that's what today's video is all about. So before we jump into the video, same old disclaimer as every video. If y'all are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess. We keep it positive because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, play makeup, talk about makeup, and remember, y'all, it's just makeup. It's not that serious. It's just unboxings. It's not that serious. So join along with me, subscribe, become part of our hot mess crew, family, whatever you guys want to call yourselves. But hopefully you guys enjoy yourselves enough to hit that like button and subscribe. I upload all the time over here, 12:15 Eastern time. I pop up extra videos Monday through Friday, as well as I do upload a lot of the time Saturday and Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern time. So join the fam. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Okay guys, so a little information about the base box. The base box is $25 a month and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies, and you do get to customize one item in the box. Now if you guys have been with me for a while, you guys know I always do sneak peek spoilers and go over all the things that you do get to choose from. Now real quick before we get into the unboxing, the 4 items that were your choices this month was the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer, the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Then we had the choice of the Real Her Trio. This was a bronzer, highlighter, and blush. And then the last item you had the choice of was by Farsali, and this is the Farsali Quench Drops. So those were your choices, and like I said, you do get to customize. And if you guys are looking to customize your November box, stay tuned for the important dates at the end of this video. Okay guys, so you guys are always asking me what the weight of my box is, and because they came together in one box, I do have my mail scale sitting here, and I'm going to go ahead and weigh it for you guys. Okay guys, so this particular box on my personal mail scale came to 15.7 ounces. So when we open the box, we do see there is a little card in here, and every single month we do have a theme that goes with our box. Now if you guys caught my sneak peek spoilers that I talked about with y'all, I did tell you guys that accidentally a card was put into supposedly somebody's September BoxyLuxe. So we did get a little sneaky peeky of what the card for October would be looking like, and this is the little card, and it says Boxycharm Candy Shop. Also reminds you to save the date for November 10th. That's when Boxy Pop-Up is coming back, and this is where you can save up to 80% off of a bunch of goodies. All kinds of expensive brands, high-end brands, and it's pretty amazing. Like, hello, think Christmas. That's where I've been doing a lot of my shopping. So, okay, so the first item I see in here is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. Now, you guys, I told you I already have one in my collection, and I absolutely love this concealer. It is a wonderful, wonderful concealer, whether you have mature skin or youthful skin, whatever you want to call it, but I really enjoy this concealer. I am in shade Medium Tan 18, and that is actually what they sent over. The next item I see in here is the Luxe brush set, and I love Luxe brushes, you guys know that. And you do actually get the little case. If you guys remember, I mentioned I did not know if we would be receiving it in like a little plastic case or this little zip-up case. So this is what they look like. We did get a total of 5 brushes, and I love the handle. It's like this really pretty, like, I don't know, what would you call that? Like, it's like a bluish purple. Very, very pretty, and like I said, Luxe brushes are absolutely amazing. I mean, I've literally grown a majority of my brush collection because of subscription boxes. So very happy to receive that, and I love the fact that it did come in this nice little zip-up travel case. I mean, like, how nice is that? And it says Luxy right here on the bag. And you got the nice little zipper as well. Make sure you guys are following me over on Instagram because I will be creating looks with all of the items that I have received this month in different subscriptions. The Luxy brushes, this is the Wanderlust set of Luxy brushes. It does have a retail value of $40. It says create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. Stash them in your Luxy pouch for a glam on the go kind of look. So the next item, if you guys caught yesterday's video, y'all know your girl was freaking geeking over this, and I now have backup, thank you Jesus. So this is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have it on now. This stuff sent me back to happy times, my happy place, like, you know, funnel cake and lots of sweets and carnivals. Look how precious this is, first of all. I absolutely am living for the packaging. It reminds me, like I showed you guys, it reminds me of the actual, like, what is this called? The Glow Oil, which, by the way, if you can pick this up during add-ons, I got it for 12 bucks. I love this, and it smells like the Boom Boom Cream. But it's so cute, and you take the lid off, you roll it up, and it's a really nice, pretty tint. It is super moisturizing, super comfortable. Like I said, it is what is on my lips now. And you guys, the scent just makes me so happy. Like, so happy. I can't even stress to you guys. Like, if you're having a bad day, pull this out of your purse, take a good old whiff, and be like, happy place, funnel cakes. Yes. Like, all I can think about is, like, the amusement park, family time. Off with my kids. I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again. I gotta stop. I gotta stop. But this stuff is delicious. Like, Sol de Janeiro, you did that. I'm proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Like, I have yet to have something where I'm like, that is hideous. No, this is amazing. If you guys are curious about the color, it is Keep It Rio. Information about this: it's a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers your lips with a delicious blend of this butter that I can't pronounce whatsoever, but it's something, and then it's acai and coconut oils. It's cushiony, soft, super conditioning, lip loving benefits that transforms dry, rough lips into the most kissable, scrumptious aroma of dulce lip something again, because, you know, grammar, no, nuh-uh, can't do it. Let's just say your girl was not like top 10, top 20, or probably top 100 when it came to the school spelling bee. And it's fine. I'm not bothered by it at all. It's fine. Whoa, the anxiety that just played back out in my head. It's like a flashback. I used to hate spelling bees. It was like, no, I don't want to do it. And they're like, it's fine. Everybody in the class has to attempt. And I'm like, okay, so the next item in here is by Ace Beauty or Ace Beauté. It is the Draw liners, and can I just tell you guys, these liners are so flippin' pretty. I swatched them in my last video. I loved both colors, and my thoughts on these particular liners is the fact that this dark berry shade, I mean, it is just so creamy, like so creamy. But I feel like because they put like this neutral nude in here, this would be absolutely beautiful to almost do like a contoured lip type of look. Like I said, make sure you're following me over on Instagram because I will be playing with these shades over there as well. And the cool thing about these lip liners, which took me a good couple minutes to figure it out, at the base of these lip liners, like right where the colors are, if you pop it out, it is a mini little sharpener. It is like the cutest thing. It just blew my mind yesterday when I was unboxing these for you guys in yesterday's video. But how cute is that? It's just legitimately a little sharpener. So, and it stays on there, no worries whatsoever. These have a retail value of $16. They're nice, they're creamy, and like I said, I feel like because of these two shades, not only are they gonna play nice and look great with like a lot of lip colors that you probably have in your collection, but I feel like you're gonna be able to do kind of like a lip contour look to them. Kind of like what you see Huda Beauty do a lot on her Instagram. Okay, so the next item in here, which has me so excited, is the Beauty Bakery palette. This is the Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. Why do I feel like Oh, I was hoping it was gonna have like a pancake and syrup scent or something, you know? So this is what it looks like. This is so pretty. This is such a pretty palette. I mean, I just think you're gonna be able to create such a beautiful look. Let's swatch some of the shades. Oh, this is so soft and creamy. That was a matte. Let's do this shade too. Oh my, these are really pretty. Oh wow, they even swatch nice too. I know swatches don't tell the full story, guys, but that is gorgeous. Like, that's gorgeous. And I really like this palette. I think it's going to be so pretty to be able to, I think like just using some of these shades, you could create like a super neutral, like, you know, classic everyday businessy type of look, but then you can really smoke it out and get like a sultry, sexy kind of look as well. So this palette is absolutely gorgeous. I did it again. I got to unboxing and forgot to read to you guys. So little information on the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed palette. It does have a retail value of $38. A delightful morning medley of saturated matte and shimmer shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transition touch-up. You guys, that's legitimately what I just said, almost to a T. I just think this palette is absolutely gorgeous, guys, and I don't even think my camera is doing it justice. I just think this is going to be such a beautiful, versatile palette for so many people. So many people. So, I mean, how cute is the packaging on that? Isn't that precious? That is just so cute. I am just so excited to have this in my collection for sure. Okay guys, let me give you guys a grand total of everything in here. And again, like I said, this box is $25. Okay guys, so like I said, $25 for this box, and everything in here came to a grand total of $138. What are my thoughts on this box? Amazing. Like, chef's kiss, you did that, Boxy. I love this. Like, I am pretty excited about this. I love the fact that they have really just gotten, in my opinion, amazing. Like, better and better and better with every single month. I'm so excited to see what November has in store for us. I can't wait. I mean, Joe gave us a little bit of a sneak peek spoiler as far as talking about brands that we were going to see in November. So make sure to stay tuned, because you know your girl comes back. I just bit my tongue again. Because you know your girl comes back and talks about what our choices are going to be for the base box and the premium box, and I just can't wait. So anyways guys, that is everything in today's video. Like I said, this was variation 30, and I think it was an amazing box. And like I said, when it comes to this Brazilian kiss, it has what I call the smell, like the tasty smell. Like, you can't physically taste it. Like, I don't taste this on my tongue, but I smell it and I love it. And when I breathe in, like with my mouth, I'm like, it just takes me back to a happy time, happy place. And you know, your girl's a foodie, so there's that. Let me know, what did you enjoy? What was the favorite product you have received all year, this entire year, from Boxycharm? That's gonna be really hard. We can just stick with last month, you know? I don't know. Anyways guys, like I said, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Also, important date for October is October 12th. That is when you're going to be able to make your choices for the November boxes, as well as that is when add-ons open up, and that's when you can do a little Christmas shopping or a little I love myself shopping. I do a lot of I love myself shopping over there, just saying. We're not going to talk about how many orders start strolling in and I'm like, no. But I also do like Christmas shopping as well, so I feel like it balances out really well. Anyways, welcome to the hot mess. Hope you stick around. Hope you hit that like button, maybe that subscribe button, and I'd really love it if you click that notification bell. Alright friends, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye guys.